The first Noel, the angel did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as Sparkly One. Thanks for joining me. Merry Christmas everyone. I'm just going to take you on a little tour of my dining room table and my Christmas tree and some decorations around my house. This is the same table runner that I used last year. And this wrapping paper is so beautiful. It's from Costco and it is reversible. So you can either use the stripe or the snowflake. And it's just a lovely foil wrapping paper on one side and then this beautiful snowflake design on the other. So let's go ahead and cut the design out and put it down the middle of the runner. And I just hope that you have a fun time watching this video and that you're inspired and that you can do these quick things right before Christmas. I know we only have a couple days, but I know you can do this. And if you'd like to see how I decorated, come along with me and I'll show you what I did.
Lord is the King of Israel.
And I just used all of my plates that I had. I just mixed and matched them. I found the dessert plates and the cups and the cake plate from Facebook, a Facebook page that I belong to for our local community. And I found these about 3 years ago on Facebook and they are just so sweet. They're so pretty and I've never even used them. And I got them all for about, I think around $20, and that is such a great deal. So don't forget to look at your vintage stores and your Facebook community pages. In the coffee mugs, I put farmhouse napkins and they are just so beautiful. And I thought it looked like hot cocoa with whipped cream on it. So I am very happy with these. I think it turned out so pretty. This is a hurricane lamp that I got from Joann Fabrics. And it was only $10. They had 66% off, I believe. And that is a fake pie, and I always use it as a display. It's so fun, and it looks real. I got that at Joann Fabrics years and years ago. And there's just a few things that I bought, like the cloth napkins and the dessert napkins. Aren't these napkins the cutest thing ever? It is so pretty and so fun, and it's basically just a dessert table. And we're going to be eating in the kitchen, and I thought it'd be really fun to come in here and have this just adorable table set for hot cocoa and pie and coffee, and I just love it.
Joyful and triumphant, oh come. behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.